Hello safety warriors. Today, we're going to learn the right way to cross the road safely and the best places to walk. Let's get ready to stay safe. The first step to crossing the road safely is to find a safe place. Always cross at a zebra crossing, pedestrian signal, or footbridge. Next, before you step on the zebra crossing, stop at the edge of the road. Look right, left, and right again to check for any vehicles. Make sure the road is clear before you start crossing. Always walk while crossing the road. Don't run. Running may cause you to trip or miss seeing oncoming traffic. Watch out for turning vehicles. Even if you have the right of way, be sure to check for cars or motorcycles turning into the road. Now, let's talk about safe places to walk. Always use a footpath if there is one. It keeps you safe from traffic. If there's no footpath, walk facing traffic on the side of the road. If you need to cross a busy road, use a footbridge. Let's quickly review. To cross the road safely, always find a safe place to cross. Stop and look both ways. Walk, don't run. Watch for turning vehicles. And remember, always walk on the footpath or use a footbridge if available. Great job, safety warriors. Now you know how to cross the road safely and where to walk to stay safe. Always follow these steps to protect yourself. See you next time.